Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Haas VF-4. This machine comes equipped with a 7,500 RPM spindle. It has a 20+1 automatic tool changer, a NIKKEN trunnion table for 5-axis machining. It comes with an MPG Control. It has a USB port for expanded memory, rigid tapping, spindle orientation. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Haas VF-4. For any further questions, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.